It's been a while. I haven't posted a video since December 20th, I think. And yeah, haven't posted a video in a while. This is my second attempt at recording a voiceover for this video, just because the first one I wasn't happy with. I didn't like. I tried to edit it and I just didn't like it. So here I am again. That's one of the reasons why I haven't posted very much lately. I have recorded videos. I just wasn't happy with the videos that I'd created at the time. Maybe my standards are too high, but it wasn't up to my standards, and I wasn't happy with the videos that I was making. Now those videos are just sitting in a random hard drive, never to be touched again. Maybe they'll make it out to the world one day, but not today. And I ended up kind of taking a break, but it wasn't because I wanted to take a break necessarily. I guess the other reason why I haven't posted a video is because I've been really, really busy. I have had a lot of stuff to do, especially with school. It's also taken me a while to post anything because I want to make some slightly different videos. Not saying that I'm gonna completely change all my content on my channel. I still love making nail art tutorials, but I want to make something a little different. I want to make something with more substance, something where you guys can learn something and also be entertained, hopefully, and I don't know, I want to make something a little different. Also, if you're wondering what I'm painting on my nails, I'm just doing a Galaxy French tip gradient nail art design. That's what I'm gonna call it. So I just wanted to come on and talk and just kind of say I'm gonna have more videos out soon. I'm working on multiple videos right now. It might take a little bit of time, but I will have more videos out soon. And I hope you guys enjoy those. I want to make sure I like those videos and I'm happy with them before I post them. I also wanted to say thank you so much for all of the people who have recently subscribed to my channel, and just all the people that have subscribed to my channel in general. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thanks for watching my videos. And you guys are so nice in the comments, and I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has come from Christine's Instagram, aka Simply Nailogical. This isn't the first video that I'd want you to see on my channel, but if it is, I promise I have more interesting videos. This one's just kind of just to let you guys know that I'm still here. And I will be posting soon. I promise. So I guess I'll wrap up the video. I love you all. You guys are great. And thanks so much for watching my videos. And I hope you enjoy what's coming next.